here to tell you tonight, my God, that when King Hezekiah needed a word from the Lord, because he could not understand what was happening, he called for the man of God. He called for the prophet. If there's anything in this season that you need to be connected to somebody who can hear from God on your behalf. Oh my God, you need to be connected to somebody that can bring you confirmation to what God is already telling you. Somebody that can bring you affirmation to what God has already spoken. Listen to me, beloved. I need for you to meet me tonight. I'm going to be in the city of Grenada, Mississippi. That's right, Grenada, Mississippi. I'm going to be right there at the American Value Inn and Suites. That's where I'm going to be at the American Value Inn and Suites at 7:30 p.m. This is the apostle, the chief apostle, Larry G. Bradford. Listen to me, my God, you've got to get there. You have got to get, my God, I don't know who I'm talking to, but you got to get there, my God.